where we're going to show you, we don't know which one we're going to take, but this is the video to answer that we're going to take the pumpkin to the state fair.
This video, we're going to show you today, how do they get those pumpkins out of the garden? How do you get them to the state fair? How do they weigh them once they get there? And then where can I get seeds? I want to grow one. Those are all going to be answered in today's video. And we're going to show you some pretty photos of a lot of different pumpkins. Okay, easy, buddy.
The pumpkin to the state fair is right over here, and I just saw a rabbit.
You just saw a rabbit?
And I'm gonna go chase it.
All right, you rabbit chaser. You're nothing but a hound dog.
I'm gonna go
Waiting
chase
for the
it.
tractor. They'll be here at 2 o'clock. We can weigh the pumpkins. This is a lifting ring a guy gave me for watermelons. A gentleman from Washington sent this to me, but actually I think I do some mighty big watermelons. I think this is more like a 500-pound pumpkin carrying device is what it is to me. But that is really cool. I don't remember the gentleman's names. I'm bad with names. He gave this to me like over 5 years ago. But it's a really cool lifting ring. Check it out. Professionally made. Let's see how it works. Never used this lifting ring before, so let's see how it plays out. Here's Macy's pumpkin. I was gonna take it to her house, but it looks like it's not gonna make it with the stem rotting.
Pumpkin song.
What do you want from me? Oh, an approval? Yeah, it looks good to me. Hang on to that rope. All right, here we go. Don't you grow no ugly pumpkin. Here we go, baby. The forklift is screaming one pumpkin at a time, please. The pumpkin? No, it's styrofoam.
What'd you see, Kelly, underneath there?
Let's see the bottom. Oh, she's a flat bottom girl.
Oh, that means she's gonna be good.
Flat bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round.
Let's get her on the scale before we lose her.
All right, here we go. The official.
There's a water on the back.
I wonder where Mike went.
Water bottle on the back.
Is there? Oh. Here we go at the Michigan State Fair. Tiny bubbles going to the scale.
Oh, he's over there. Come on, good here. Don't measure down. Yeah, I'm about even. Even with the. Bring her off forward. Just a smidge more. A little bit more. Yeah.
All right, here's the nail biter. She's taping around 1,400 pounds. Let's see what she says.
Okay. We better have some guesses.
All right, pull the
Bob,
rope
what's your
off.
weight? We got 1560. 1545. What do you think, Mark?
1477.
1477. 1550. What's a guess? What's your weigh? 15?
17.
Hey, 17. Okay. Ready? 1298.
1298? Really? Wow. Wow. That's scary. That's scary. It went light.
I've had my fill of things.
Here's a lineup of pumpkins. The Michigan State Fair 2018. There's Joe checking out my air bubble. Bubba's big
Number
bug
one.
at
Number
1,400 pounds. It's 400 inches.
one.
When 100 pounds light. How do they estimate those pumpkins? What are you guys talking about? Estimated weights. How do you do that? We're going to give you an idea. We have other videos. You can check out the channel. Over 1,000 videos, 47,000 subscribers. We've been growing pumpkins for going on 30 years now. Please join us. We're at a 200-inch circumference. Okay, now let's check it end to end. 109 stem to ground end, 109. Okay, now let's get the side. The side, 112 inches. All right, so we got 200, and 112 is 312, and 109 would be 412, 4 plus about 422.
421, 1611.
1,611 pounds.
Yeah. Taped.
So, yeah. 1,611 pounds. So let's go back 10 days. Or do you have any idea where it was 10 days ago?
Yeah, I can look it up.
We'll let you guys know in a second what our gains are. All right.
Hey, we're at Frank's. First year Frank's doing 50 pounds a day. Join us, baby. It's the Grin Reaper.
1,947-pound pumpkin. That's me inside. That was a Michigan State record, 2014. Here we go. Headed to the front yard. There's the footprint. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, you might want to level the forks a little. Take the forks and just level them out a little bit. Right there, that's good. Who says they can't be orange? The winning pumpkin at Dundee Pumpkin Palooza, the Birdman, with the 2094 new personal best. Awesome job. Pumpkin Palooza, Dundee, Michigan. Awesome fruit, awesome fruit. Check these seeds out. The mother seed was a 1778 Ruth Ruff, and this is the 15, I'm gonna say 92 Walton, but let me double check that. You'll see it'll be the only Walton seed, not Welton. That's Eri Welton with an E. This is Walton, Owen Walton. Nope, they're not related. Go figure. It's me, the man behind the pumpkin. Check out these beautiful seeds we have. You can get these seeds at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. That's from the 1501 Vanderweilen genetics, and this is from the 1778 Ruth Ruff from Charlotte, Michigan. Join us. We've got some of the best seeds on the planet. Best genetics, bar none. Woohoo! At an affordable price. All right, man. Keep them growing. Son, it's me, your dad. I'm coming to see you. Oh, it's been so long. All right, join us at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden on YouTube for growing giant pumpkins, remodeling, and more. Bubba's Fish Clips, Jack and Bubba, join us.